How does it sound? Everything's good? Hey, Cosmic. Good morning. Is it too loud? All right. Thank you so much. Good morning. How are you? Good morning, Friendly Penley. Rude Boy. Sawmill Glenn. Good morning. Assistant Gilly. Sebastian. Hi, friends. Nice to see you. Hey, hey, BBQ. Good morning, Rude. Nice to see you. Hey, Alex. Good morning. Nice to see you guys. Good morning, BitScript. Good morning. Nice to see ya. Good morning. Hey, yo, Solano. What's up, Buttercup? Yeah, I'm sick this morning. But hey, right? I'm still here for a little bit. Let's get bullish, says BitScript. Yeah, it's looking pretty good this morning, right? Looking pretty good. Guys, if you could share the live, that would be great. Just press that little repost button at the bottom of your screen. No, there's only 13 people in here, but that would really help. Nice to see you, B-Dogs. Good morning. Good morning, kids. Hey, BB. Good morning, says Alex. Good morning. Nice to see you. Guys, if you have not followed Cosmic Crypto, please follow him, right? I know there's only, Alex, thank you. Mama B thing, good morning. Nice to see you. Good morning, guys. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, Mama B thing. Good morning. Hey, Twist. Hey, Dina. Michelle. Taz. Good morning. Big North. Good morning. Nice to see you. Rick. Nice to see you. Guys, thank you so much for being in here this morning. Mario, the assistant, thank you so much. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do crypto charts every single morning at 9:15 a.m. Oh, I love that one, Alex. Thank you. I do crypto charts every single morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, thank you so much for being in here today. I appreciate you. Wow, I missed 22 messages. How did that happen? Right? How did that happen? Good morning. Hey, T. Nice to see you. Hey, Friendly Penley. Good morning, Taz. Is that the Taz from a long time ago? I haven't seen you in a long, long time. You back? Is that you? I hope so. Hey, Solano. Nice to see you. I got to get to the bottom. Hey, Dan. Nice to see you. Guys, thank you so much for sharing the live this morning. I appreciate you. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I'm not a financial advisor, right? I'm wearing a backwards hat. Good morning, Cycle Sniper. Nice to see you. Guys, we are here to do crypto charts this morning, right? I'm not a financial advisor. Please do not buy, sell, or trade based on my TA alone. You will get wrecked, right? If you don't know what the levels are, zero. Good morning. Nice to see you. S&W Farms, good morning. Nice to see you. Who did I miss? Who did I miss? I missed somebody. No, I didn't. I'm good, right? Guys, we are going to go over the charts this morning. Obviously, we have had a big bounce. Is it going to be sustainable? Maybe, right? We'll see. Good morning, user. Nice to see you. Kingfish, good morning. Guys, thank you so much for sharing out the live. A couple of things before we start. Number one, I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't take anything that I say as financial advice. If you do, you will get wrecked, right? Also, I have an off TikTok group. If you want to join that group, a lot of people in here are in that group. I teach in there every single day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is not a signals group. It is an actual classroom, right? We had a couple of new people yesterday. Good morning, Novik. Nice to see you. A couple of new people yesterday. If you guys want to learn how to chart and to trade, that group is the place to be, right? I do teach in there every single day after this live. We go over more alts. We break down the charts and show you what the levels mean and how to get those levels. So if you want to join that, first link in the link in my bio. Second thing, if you are looking for a non-KYC exchange to trade on, I trade on Bitunix. They are my primary exchange, guys. If you would like to trade and you are a trader, hey, Xfandata, nice to see you. If you are a trader and you would like to trade, guys, go ahead and, oh, there we go. My echo was on. I was like, what is echoing here? If you would like to learn how to trade, you can click the first link in my bio. Also, Bitunix. If you go to bitunix.com, my code is BullishBabe. Yeah. Cyprin, we'll do Soul today. I see you. We'll do Soul today. Guys, I am very sick this morning. Good morning, Xfandata. Nice to see you. Solom Spartan is in the house. Good morning. Nice to see you. I'm pretty sick this morning. I actually have an actual fever. So I am going to do a couple. And that's probably going to be it for the day. I need to rest. I know I just got back. But welcome to my life, because that's what happens. Hope you get well. Thank you, Cyprian. That's what happens, right? Guys, we're going to go over Bitcoin. We're going to start off on the daily. We're going to go through all the time frames. And then we're going to go to a couple of the alts. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin dominance. Obviously, we are dropping. And again, if you haven't followed Cosmic, right, he has been right. And so if you have not followed him, give him a follow. I'm pretty sure everyone in here follows him already. But he is in the audience. Give him a follow. He has taught me a lot about this market. And even though we argue about things, he has been right this whole time, to be honest. And so I am very lucky to have a partner that knows what he's talking about. We do a show every Thursday at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you guys want to come and join that show, it's Cosmically Bullish. We will have that in 2 days, guys. I'm very excited to be on that show with him. He is my ultimate partner in that show. Give him a follow. Guys, we're going to get to the charts pretty early today. Again, I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every single morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, if you haven't followed me, and this is your first time in here, I know if this is your first time in here, you haven't seen me do anything yet, right? But please do follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you will get copycats. I have about 600 of them. And they will not stop trying to scam people in their DMs. So please follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you will get those copycats, guys. You won't be able to know when to follow me. This is my only account. So please follow me directly from here. Solam Spartan, thank you so much. It's so nice to see you. I was just thinking yesterday, I'm like, I miss. Oh, Skyman is in the house. Good morning. Skyman, can you do me a favor? I have been trying to tag you when I went live. But I can't follow you because I requested to follow you, and I think it's sitting in your requests. Can you accept it when you get a chance so that I can tag you when I'm going live? Because I did go live a few times over the last week, but I couldn't tag you. So please do. Spacey is in the house, guys. Give him a follow. He is so nice. He actually reported a lot of my copycats in a report. What a nice community we have here. Spacey, thank you so much. You sharing the live out. I appreciate you so much. Lauren is in the house with the corgi. Nice to see you. Primo's here. Nice to see you. Guys, we have such great bolsters here. Thank you. We have such great community members. Thank you, Spacey, for doing that. I appreciate that. That takes a long time. And they don't do anything about it from my side, so I appreciate it. Let's see XPR. Yeah, we can do XPR. Guys, again, I am sick this morning. I actually have a fever. Shez, thank you. Just returning the favor. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. Woody Walker, nice to see you. Guys, we're going to get into it. A little bit of summertime for you. We wish it was summertime weather. Good morning, Lauren. Nice to see you. I am going to make myself small so that I can make the charts big. And we are going to go into Bitcoin. We're going to start off on the daily, and we are going to work our way through the charts this morning, guys. Let's see what is happening. Can we hold on to some of these levels? I hope so. Formix, nice to see you. I don't want to make myself that small. There we go. There I am. All right, here we go. Thank you so much for the follows, guys. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for the shares. Too many people calling the bottom of the market. Be cautious. Yeah, Skyman, you know that I am. If you guys haven't been in here, I know that we are bouncing. Right? And we had a heavy bounce this morning. It's great. And the Bitcoin dominance is dropping. However, we have not gotten up and over 77,977. And we have not gotten up and Richard, good morning. And we have not gotten up and over 89K. Until we get up and over 89K, I am still bearish. And even then, I'm only 50% bullish. And then if we get up and over 108K, then I'm bullish. Right? We are still a very long way away from that. We are still making weaker, lower highs, said Skyman. Guys, we got to be careful here. Ripplebot Circle? I don't know. I haven't looked at the news. Here we go. Guys, let's go to the charts again. You're going to hear me sniffle and cough this morning. I'm sorry. It's just what it is, right? Sui. Yeah, we can take a look at Sui. All right, here we go, guys. Let's get into the charts. CBSN, guys, I will say I will probably only do a couple of these today. The Solemn Prayer Bear is still alive. Yeah, Solemn, in my opinion, still alive, right? Still not super bullish right now. I love this bounce, and I love that we bounce off of support. However, I'm not bullish yet, right? Careful is comfortable. Chances make champions. Bend Bitcoin. Yeah, it does. Right, but we still have to be cautious. We don't know what's happening here. Where are we headed to the next few weeks? Let's take a look, guys. Let's pull up my charts, and we will get started. Here we go. I'm going to turn this music down a little bit because I cannot yell today, guys, unfortunately. Right, my throat feels like I have 1,000 needles in it. Here we go. We are on the daily right now, guys, for Bitcoin. What are we doing right now? We came down here. We bounced off of the bottom of the channel, right, on the daily. Bounce off of the bottom of the channel. And then we came up here. Possible head and shoulders forming on the daily and weekly. Yeah. Yeah, Skyman, I can see that. Now, we are in the middle on the Stokes. Skyman, I'm so glad you're back. We are in the middle on the Stokes. We are rolling over on the Stokes, and we are rolling over on the RSI. Does this mean we are coming down right now? No, it doesn't, right? We are on the daily. It is a big time frame, and we have bounced off of the bottom of the channel. When we bounce off of the bottom of the channel, where do we usually go to? The top of the channel. We go to the 50% and then the top of the channel, right? And right now we are sitting very, very close to the bottom of the channel. We either roll over here. Jay Heat is in the house. Nice to see you. Lordly, thank you. 501, thank you. We are sitting near the bottom of the channel. Now we either roll over and we fall through the channel, or we bounce off of support, which we are trying to do right now. We came directly down to the diagonal trend line. I'm going to show you on a lower time frame, and we bounced off of that. If we bounce off of here and we go up and get over the 50% level in the channel, that is a bullish thing. That means we are more than likely going to the top of the channel. Willie boy, nice to see you. Right? Excuse me, guys. Hold on one second. You know I'm a diehard when I'm up here and doing this right now. Here we go. Lady Long Term, thank you. All right, so we are going to go to the 12-hour. I don't see a confirmation on Circle and Ripple. Yeah, I don't know that. Oh, no, you are sick. Yeah, Jay Heat, really sick, actually. Yeah. Here we go, guys. We're going to go to the 12-hour. Here we go. What is happening on the 12-hour? We're rolling over on the 12-hour, too, right? Now, here we go. We are close to the bottom of the channel, and what I just said is this. Yesterday, when we were looking at this, there was a rising wedge. We were fighting in between a rising wedge and a bull flag. And I'm going to show you that on the lower time frames. I'm on the short term. Am I on the right path right now? I am in a short right now. Am I on the right path right now? I don't know, right? We are not fading that support yet. If we fade that support, that would be a short for me. But right now, that is not a short. Look at the Ripple Foundation pounds. Can you do near protocol? I will try, guys. We're going to get through as many as possible today. Okay. I'm just going to cut it off when I don't feel good. So we are rolling over here. What do we need to do here, guys, to stay bullish? We need to bounce off of this support again. We come down here to the support at 377. We need to bounce off of that again. We don't bounce off of that again. Realize we are coming down to the bottom of the channel again. And we have hit the bottom of the channel multiple times, right? Is that a bullish thing? No, it's not. Feel better. Thank you, Rachel. I appreciate you. Is that a bullish thing? No, it's not. Guys, the more you hit support and resistance, the more you can break it, right? Willie boy, thank you. Lady Long Term, thank you so much, guys. Right? We must reclaim the 4-hour point of control, 77,634 to retest 79. There we go, Skyman. Right? There we go. Let's go to the 8-hour. Let's see what's happening on the 8-hour. We know the 12-hour is looking like it wants to roll over. Yeah, here we go, guys. Here we go. Here's the hopium we need, right? Bullish Lenny chart. Hack, nice to see you, right? Here we go. Here is the bullish hopium that we need. We are curving up on the Stokes, and look at this RSI. RSI is curving up, and what do we have here, guys? This is what we were fighting in between yesterday. There was a bull flag right here. Here's the bull. This was the flag, but we were inside of a rising wedge. Here is the rising wedge right here. We fell out of it. Now, guys, we have not hit the target of the rising wedge yet. Okay, what we did was we came down to this diagonal trend line right here and we bounced off of it, which is great, but we still can fall through it. But what I'm seeing here on the 8 hours that we're curving to the upside and the RSI is curving up to the upside as well. Are we going to hold this level right here? Again, we need to hold 76,377 or else we are going to fall through and we are going to come to the target of this rising wedge, which by the way is the bottom of the channel. Okay. Bottom of the channel, guys, it's right here. Here's the top trend line of the rising wedge. Here's the bottom trend line. Here is the target right here. It goes directly down to the bottom of the channel. Okay, 74,994. We fall out of here. Very, very likely we're coming down here. We are getting some curvature, guys. The curvature is telling me we have a chance, but the lower time frames actually have to hold us up to push us out of this bull flag. See this bull flag right here? It is right here. Here's the pole. Here's the flag. We bounce off of this right here. We can go up. Too many longs trying to chase price. Look out for the long squeeze. You guys hear him? He is absolutely right. We need to look out for the long squeeze right now. Right? Everyone is FOMOing into the green candles, and if they FOMO into the green candles, what do we get? A long squeeze, guys. And that may be that 10 o'clock drop. Have you talked about Soul? Not yet, but I am going to go over Soul today. I promised I would. Right? Here we go, guys. 8 hours, looking like we could curve up. Here we go. 4 hour, right? Uh-oh, guys. 8 hour might be the outlier. Lauren, thank you so much for the follow. 8 hour might be the outlier, and I'll show you why. The 8 hour is looking like we're curving up, but however, what does this look like, guys? This looks like a bear flag to me. Here we go. Here's the pole right here. Here is the flag right here, guys. It's a chubby one, but it is still a bear flag. And if we break this down, actually, we're going to pull this. Uh-oh, guys. Here we go, right? This is a bear flag. We don't hold on to this level like we just talked about at 76, 377. Where are we headed down to? Guys, we're headed down to that target of the rising wedge. This looks like it may want to continue. We are rolling over now. Skyman, that short squeeze looks like it's probably coming, right? I was on a long at 76, but I closed it at 76.5. Cruise, nice close, right? Nice close. Guys, we are never going up or down forever, ever. Right? We are never going up and down forever. And if you take those moves and if you take profit, that is the best way to do it. Nice job, Cruz. Right? This bear flag, if it brings us down, will bring us down to 75,291. Right? Brings us down to 75,291, guys. That is very close to the bottom of the channel. Very, very likely we're going to hit the bottom of the channel again at 75,151. And if we hit the bottom of the channel, like Skyman said, look at what's happening here, guys. We need to be very careful here. And this is why. You guys know I am not bullish or bearish. I am just bullish or bearish on the moves. Look at what's happening. Shoulder, head. This would be the right shoulder, guys. If this drops that level right here at 75,150, which is, by the way, a major support, very, very likely we're going to come down here to this support right here at 74,152. That's exactly what it does. Go up and down forever. BFFs, yeah, it does. That's what it does. 75,800 liquidity forming. Uh-oh, Skyman. You called it. You called it, right? Guys, we fade this level at 74,152, which, by the way, if you have been in here the whole time, you know that's my nemesis. We will come down here to this key support at 73,832, and then where are we headed to? 70,837. Let's go to the lower time frames to actually see what's going on. 4 hour. Sonoran Art, good morning, right? Here we go, guys. We know that the 4 hour is rolling over. Right? 8 hours rolling up. Can that 8 hour hold us up enough to actually break us up and out? It doesn't look promising. And I'll tell you why. We are rolling out on the Stokes on the 1 hour now, right? RSI 6 is pushed through the 12 and the 24 to the downside. This looks like it wants to come down. And could this just be a little bit of a long squeeze? It could. But we need to hold this bottom of the channel. We don't hold that bottom of the channel. We're coming down. 1 hour is looking rough, right? We're looking rough. 30 minute. Looking rough, but getting a little bit of curvature on the RSI, guys, right? Good morning, Perfect. Nice to see you. Oh, guys, struggling, right? Here we go. 30 minute. Looking like it wants to come down, but we have a little bit of curvature. Does the 15 minute have a little bit of curvature? No, it does not, guys. 15 minute is rolling over on the Stokes at the bottom of the channel. That is usually B-Dogs, Crypto, Marcus, thank you. We are rolling over at the bottom of the channel on the Stokes, guys. And we're rolling over on the RSI. We've got a little bit of curvature on the RSI, but they are gapped. What happens when the RSI is gapped, guys? The energy is on fleek. Thank you, Patrick. I'm sick, so I'm so glad you think that. Right? We are gapped on the RSI. And the RSI, when it's gapped, what it tells you is that we could recover, but we've got to move in store first. And that is what we are doing. Thank you so much, Perfect. Right? Here we go. 15 minute, looking like we are coming down. 7 minute. 7 minute is curving up to the upside, but is it just to build a bear flag? Looks like it. Are you streaming from a spaceship? Yeah, I am, Andy. I'm streaming from a spaceship. That's exactly what I'm doing. Here we go. Here is, guys, this looks like it's building a little tiny bear flag right here. See this right here? We've also got an M pattern in play. Here we go. Here's the M pattern, guys. Uh-oh. Look at what this is doing. Local support at 74,159. 4 hour value area low. Skyman, I don't want to go back down to my nemesis. Can we avoid that at all costs, please? Right? Here we go, guys. We have an M pattern. Here's one hump of the M. Here's the second hump of the M. We are below the bottom trend line of the M pattern. It looks like we're bearishly retesting this pattern, guys. We bearishly retest this pattern. Where are we headed to? You measure an M pattern from the top of the M to the bottom of the M. Uh-oh. Look at this. We have to punish the late buyers. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do, Cosmic. 150%. Guys, if you don't follow Cosmic, give him a follow. He is my ultimate partner in the Cosmically Bullish Show every Thursday at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, we fade this level right here. If we cannot get back up and above this at 76,825, we are coming down to this target at 76,414. Institutions trying to keep market sentiment bullish for that exit liquidity. You got it, right? This looks like we're bearishly retesting this level. And how can I tell that? We're going to go to the 5-minute and see if we're rolling over. And yeah, we are. And look at the gaps on the RSI, guys. Very, very likely we are coming down to this level right here. We have an M pattern and we have a little bear flag forming. Very, very likely we are coming down. Okay, let's go to 5-minute. Is looking like we have some room to the downside. 3-minute is trying to lift up, right? However, we are gapped here, guys. Right? We're gapped. That means that we may have some lower levels before we actually lift up, and this could be the long squeeze that Skyman is talking about. Eric Watson's in the house. Good morning. Good morning. So guys, here we go. Here are the levels on Bitcoin. We got to watch, right? And then we'll go to some alts. I'm going to try to rush through them today. I'm probably only going to be on for about a half an hour. I can already feel myself fading. That 70K squeeze, you got it, Patrick, right? You got it. Here's the levels, guys, on the 8-hour. Here we go. Like I just said, we've got to hold this level at 76,447. We don't hold this level at 76,447. Where are we headed to? Guys, we're headed down here, and we marked this out yesterday because we were in a rising wedge. It was either the bull flag was going to break out or we were going to break down on the rising wedge. Guess which one we did? We broke down on the rising wedge, right? Not only that, but we're in a bear flag right now. That bear flag brings us directly down to the support at 75,226, right? Skyman says we've got to hold 74,126. Here we go, 75,226. This is your next level to the downside. If we fade this level at 76,153. Sorry. 76,357. We drop that level. Very, very likely we're coming down to this level at 75,271. And what is that? That is the bottom of the channel, guys. That is the bottom of the channel, right? If we lose this level right here decisively at 75,158, very, very likely we're coming down to this level at 74,163. And if we come down here, guys, and we do not bounce, or we come, there is a confirmed daily hidden bullish divergence, but lacks liquidity. Bitcoin needs that trampoline. You got it, Skyman. You got it. I'm so glad you're back, right? Thank you so much. 73,734, guys. We fade this level. We're coming back down to where, Skyman? The Skyman channel, right? The Skyman channel. Here we go, guys. Those are your levels to the downside. Here's your levels to the upside. If we bounce off of this level, and we make our way up here to this level of resistance at 77,352. Oh, no. Yeah, oh, no is right. I don't want to go to the Skyman channel either, right? I mean, I like it because it's named after you, but I don't want to get down there, right? 77,352, first level to the upside. Second level to the upside, 77,487. Third level to the upside. This diagonal trend line at 77,804. And then this one right here at 77,977. Realize, guys, if we don't get up and over 77,977, we are coming back down. I have said this for days, 77,977. We don't get up and over that, we are coming back down. We are below the 50% level in the channel. If we screw around here below the 50% level in the channel, there is a very, very, very good chance that we are coming down again. Okay. Toby, thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate you guys. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I usually don't sound like this, but I am sick this morning. If this is your first time here, come back for the energy on a different day too. I know you're here right now, but definitely come back and follow me. If you click my photo, follow me directly from the live. That is the best way to actually follow me. Otherwise, you'll get a bunch of copycats. I have about 600. They will try to scam you in your DMs. So please follow me directly from the live, right from this live right now. Thank you so much for being in here. Guys, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin dominance now. And then we're going to go to Soul. I'll take a look at the DXY too. Bitcoin dominance is falling, guys. Oh, look at this, right? Look at this. What are the meme coins doing right now? Not quite taken off yet, but guys, look at this. We actually had this charted the other day, right? Here we go. We have a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder on Bitcoin dominance, guys. This already broke down from this level right here at 60.69. If we break this down, Eric Watson, B-Dogs, Crypto Marcus, thank you so much. We break this down, guys. Here is the target down here at 60.05%. That breaks down there, guys. We have a very, very good chance of some of the alts running. ETH is holding up better than BTC for once as of late. There we go, Mikey. There we go. Right? And now what are we doing, guys? We're curving down to the downside. And what do I see here? We see another pattern. Right? What is the other pattern, guys? We have another head and shoulders here. Actually, it's cat ears pattern, right? Here's one ear. Here's the head. Here's the second ear, guys. We break this down to the downside. You measure a cat ears pattern from the top of the head to the bottom of the trend line. You drag this down to this. Oh, look at that confluence, right? Look at that confluence. Eric Watson, thank you so much, guys. If you want to join Bitunix, my referral code is Bullish Babe. They are my primary exchange. I have traded on them for about 2.5 years. If you're looking for a non-KYC exchange to trade on, that is it. And there's my code. You get a 20% bonus on deposit for anything over $100. Thank you so much for posting that, Eric Watson. Thank you to my mods, Rude Boy, Assistant, Eric Watson, Money Talk, Sarah Shauna, J. Cosmic Crypto, B Rose, and Dream to Action. Thank you. Good morning, Joanne. Nice to see you. Guys, we fade this cat ears pattern to the downside. We are going to 60.03. You're losing your voice. I know. Thank you, Assistant. I appreciate you. Here we go, guys. We break this down to the downside. We also, right, have a head and shoulders target right here on a higher time frame, 59.37. I have honey in there too. Are you in a trade today? I am not right now. A spoon every hour. Perfect. I'm going to do it. Right? Here we go. 59.37, guys. We get down here to this level. Very, very likely we're going to have a run in the alts. Okay? Very, very likely. There is Bitcoin dominance for you guys. Let's go to Soul. Let's take a look at Soul and what Soul is doing here. Here we go. Let's go. And guys, that could very well drop fast, just so you know. Bitcoin dominance, when it does drop, will drop really fast. It will just drop out. And if that does that and Bitcoin is moving sideways, we will get a run in some of these alts, which, by the way, a lot of them, did you say a run for the alts? Yeah, Jason the Mason. Because a lot of the alts are in diamond patterns or they are in big inverse head and shoulders. And if they break out of that trend line at the top or they break out of that diamond pattern, guys, we've got to run for some of the alts. Okay? Let's go to Soul. Let's see what Soul's doing right now. Here we go. Let's go to the daily on Soul. Mark Day. It's Jay Ravi. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you. Guys, you know what? I'm going to do Soul and I'm going to do NIR and ZBCN, and then I'm going to be out for the day. My voice just can't handle it right now. I'm so sorry. Can we look at grass today? It's been going wild lately. Mikey, I'm going to have to do that tomorrow. My voice is just not going to handle it right now. Oh, look at Soul, guys. Look at Soul, right? Look at Soul. This is what Soul is doing, right? And I can see a double bottom on a lower time frame. Soul is in an inverted head and shoulders on the daily. Here we go. Shoulder, head. This is the right shoulder. Guys, we do have a massive resistance above our head, so we have to power through this to the upside. We don't power through this, we're going to get stuck at this resistance and this one, then this one, right? But if we power through, here it is, right? If we power through 8 hour, let's take a look. Oh, guys, look at the 8 hour trying to set up here, right? 8 hours curving up to the upside, although we know that on BTC, the 8 hour was curving up as well. We got to go through the time frames, right? Here we go. Let's go to the 4 hour on Soul. Here we go. 4 hour. Oh, 4 hours pointed up, but pointed down on the RSI. We are fighting here, guys. What I will say is this. We've got a little shoulder, head, shoulder in here. Here is the track, guys. If we break out of this little tiny head and shoulders right here, inverted head and shoulders. Here we go. Soul Strong support daily point of control 84.83. Girl, I think the markets might be unwinding the crude trade, pricing it to peace. Farrell, nice to see you. I'm so glad you're here, right? Here we go. Shoulder, head, shoulder to the upside. Guys, she looks at crude and the VIX, guys. She's telling you that it may be unwinding right now, right? Here we go. You measure an inverted head and shoulders from the top of the trend line to the bottom of the head. You drag this to the, oh, look at that on Soul, guys. Here we go. Praying for you, girl. Thank you. Thank you, Annalie. I'm hoping I'll be better tomorrow. Who knows, right? Here we go, guys. We bring this up to the upside. Here's your first level on Soul, 86.41. Hey, Nico, nice to see you. Next level is this diagonal trend line. This is what's going to break us out of this shoulder, head, shoulder to the upside. We break out of 87, guys. Here's your next level right here. This is technically breaking us out of that inverse head and shoulders. We break out of 87, 86. We are coming to our next resistance level at 90.31. And if we break it through that, guys, we are getting up to the target at 92.18. Good morning, Epic One. Guys, give him a follow. Nice to see you. I'm so glad to see you. Guys, we get up to this target right here. We have a straight shot to the top of that inverse head and shoulders. Okay, 92.10. We get up to 92.10. Very, very likely we're going to make it up here at 97.61. And if we break out of 97.61, guys, here it is. right? We break out of 97.61. You measure from the top of the trend line to the bottom of the head, and you drag this to the supposed breakout, which is here. And by the way, guys, this gets us out of a falling wedge. We break this trend line right here, which is, by the way, a start point. VIX is bearish, but in a channel. We are on the VIX. On Rick's money flow is asset specific and strong, says Farrell. Thank you, Farrell. Right? Here we go. Jimmy, thank you so much for the follow. We get up and over 98.30. Guys, very, very likely we're coming to this next resistance at 119. And if we get up and over there, guys, we are breaking a falling wedge on the daily. We have a very, very big target. What is that? 187. Huge volume gap between 90 and 127, says Skyman. There we go. There we go. Excuse me, guys. Okay. Here we go. Huge volume gap between 90 and 127. Thank you, Joanne. Thank you, Epic One. Nice to see you. Guys, we could shoot through here. 90 and 127. Let's take a look. Yeah, guys, look. Oh, there we go, Skyman. Look at that. Hype Pyth are seeing it. Memory Drive, Tech Toys, Flights, Floats, and Robots. There we go. Guys, listen to Farrell. That is where it is right now. Here we go, guys. Skyman just said there's a big volume gap between 90 and 127. And guess what? We can see that exact level from my levels here. 90 is right here. And then we don't have any resistance until we get up. 127 is way up here, guys. That is a big gap. This gets up and over this, guys. We have a run, right? We have a run. There we go. That's on Skool, guys. I'm going to go to ZBCN, and then I'm going to be out for the day. I'm so sorry. I cannot, my fever is just not hanging with me this morning. So I will be back tomorrow and hopefully back and feeling better. Let's do ZBCN. ZBCN. And Angela, I will do near in class today. So the bull is here and very strong. Whole market will turn. What's the VIX bounces full bull? Let's go. Why always the same coins? We don't do always the same coins in both. We don't do always the same coins. We do a lot of different ones in here, actually. Fever, you're sick. Yeah, I'm sick. Let's do CBCN, though. Let's take a look. CBCN. I don't know why I even thought I could do this, to be honest. The fact that I've been gone for a week and then I get sick is like really not fun, right? Really not fun. Here we go, guys. Let's take a look at ZBCN. Here we go. More chop and consolidation before one last distribution. There we go. It was someone else that asked for near. They need to join Skool. There we go, guys. If you guys want to join Skool, first link in the link in my bio. Thank you for being here today. Thank you, Jason. Really, guys, the most important thing, that's what happens when you go to the hospitals. Every time I go, I end up sick. Yeah. I guess that is what happened, right? Guys, I think that is what happened. Miss Evie, nice to see you. Guys, if you want to join Skool, first link in the link in my bio. I appreciate you. The most important thing today is to look at Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance, right? I wanted to come on here and give you guys a Bitcoin update so that you know kind of where we're headed for the day and what the levels are. That is really the most important thing right now. ZBCN, let's take a look. ZBCN is kind of in the same thing as Soul, guys. Right? Here we go. 8 hour. Let's take a look. Quantum stocks resetting to drive math. Drive is intact. Memory, all time frames. There we go. Guys, what are we in right here on ZBCN? We have taken a look at this. Look at it's a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. Here's your levels on ZBCN. First level to the upside. We need to get up and over these moving averages. First moving average, first level. We need to get up and over these moving averages to 0.00344450. Next level is here at 0.004052. And then we get up and out of this inverse head and shoulders. Guys, you measure it from the top of the trend line to Joe Cluxton, thank you, to the bottom of the head. And you drag this to the supposed breakout. Where is that? Somewhere along here. We need to get up and over 0.0, thank you, C, 0.0040885. We get up and over that level and up and over this diagonal trend line right here, guys, at 0.0041650. Hi, Chillin. Nice to see you. Thank you so much, C. We get up and over that level, guys. We're coming to 0.0057826, and we get up and over that level. Get bullish, said Eric Watson. Guys, we get up and over that level. We're coming directly here. to this level right here at 0.0072061. Okay. And that is a bigger pattern. We break out of that, very, very likely we are coming here. Hey, canceled. Nice to see you, right? Very, very likely we are coming here at 0.0072061. Why? Because this is the top of the rising wedge that we have broken out of. Okay. So there it is on ZBCN. Here are your levels to the downside. First level to the downside is here at 0.0024359. These are key levels, guys, right? Second level is at the top of this falling wedge at 0.0018397. Those are your levels on ZBCN, guys. Let's go to the 1 hour and see what the 1 hour is doing. There we go. You know what I see here, guys? The 1 hour is doing this. Here we go. The 1 hour is in somewhat of diamond pattern there, guys. Move that up. Yeah, guys, this is in a bit of a diamond here. It's a wonky diamond, but it still is in a bit of a diamond right here. And it's getting compressed, guys. This looks really good, right? Look at this right here. We pop out of this diamond. Where do diamonds go? They pop out. Somebody on the plane gave you the plague. I know, Farrell, I can't even. I'm so mad, right? I'm so mad. Uh-oh, what happened? Here we go. Yeah, I'm so mad. I can't even get over it. Yeah, guys, this thing looks charged. ZBCN, right? ZBCN, guys, and look at this thing, right? We're powering up here. Guys, we get up and over these moving averages and get up and over the diagonal trend line right here at 0.0029931. Where are we headed to? We're headed to where it started breaking down, guys, right? Which is actually up here on a higher time frame at 0.0036281. Farrell Candle says that math is clean as a whistle too. Man, does that thing look charged, right? That thing looks charged. Guys, ZBCN is looking real good to me, right? If we break out of this, even if we FUD around here for a little bit, and to be honest, if you look at the twin ends, right? Very, very likely. This looks like this is a nice find. Yeah, right? Guys, very, very likely. This looks like it wants to break out. And look at this. We do have a rollover on the 1 hour. However, this could just come back down here to retest this and then bonk out of here. This is looking real good to me. What is the target here? Target here is up here at 0.0036196, guys. That is the first target. And where does that get you? Get you close to, yeah, you saw that twinning juicy little gemstone. Look at that thing, right? Look at that thing. Guys, more than likely we're headed up here at 0.0036196. And then we are within the range to actually come up here. This looks like BTC dominance is going to drop to me. A lot of these look like BTC dominance is going to drop, guys, right? A lot of them do. What's BTC doing right now? So that's ZBCN, guys, right? I'm going to go back to BTC and then I'm going to be out for the day. I'm so sorry. I just can't. Good. I have a big bag. There we go, B-Dogs. There we go. Here we go, guys. Here we go. All right. Let's take oh, look at this. What did this do? Right? What did this do? Guys, this is looking bullish to me, right? This is looking bullish to me. And why is it, right? Won't Shib tell us, guys, why is it looking bullish? Look at what it did. It wicked down to this diagonal trend line twice now, right? We do have a little bit of an indecision candle right here, but look at the Stokes and the RSI curving on the 1 hour. If it makes that tiny boop on top where it breaks out like the other side, it's a textbook example. Exactly, Farrell. That thing looks amazing for a diamond pattern, right? Amazing. Guys, Bitcoin is looking like we're trying to hold this trend line. And this looks like it wants to pop out of this 1 hour bull flag right here. Look at this right here. Here's the pole. Here's the flag, guys. This looks like this wants to pop out here right now, like soon, right? I am on the 1 hour right now. We are up and over those moving averages, and this looks like it wants to go. XRP, I see a bull flag within a W pattern. Like the retest, had its own retest point. I like diamonds for that confluence. Diamonds are my favorite pattern, Farrell. 150%, right? Because they go directly to the target most of the time, too. Here we go, guys. Remember, here's your levels. We need to make it over 77,343 and then here at 77,502. But guys, what is our most important level? 77,977. We don't get over that level, guys. We are not going anywhere, right? However, this bull flag will break you over that point. And guys, what I will say is this. You guys have seen this happen more often than not in here. When we have a target that brings you directly to a key resistance level, directly to it, ends with the ball on it, right? That looks like something maybe charging up. There we go, 0 day 30. When it brings you right to a key resistance, I have to get weary and doubtful that we're actually going to make it over it. But what I can say right now, guys, we have diamonds on the pullback math and quantum today. Let's go, Farrell, right? What I will say is this target gets you cleanly from this bull flag, gets you cleanly above this level of resistance at 78 or 77,977. Guys, this is telling me that we are going to try and make our way up here. Okay. Now, what's going to stop that from happening? Lower time frames, rollover on the Stokes and the RSI, and we got a rollover on the higher time frames. But we know that 8 hour is turning up, right? It's turning. It is so annoying that I'm sick today. We know that the 8 hour is turning up. Right? Thank you. So happy you're back. Drink water. Thank you. This looks like this wants to push up and out, guys. Right? XRP, I'm not going to do any more today, guys. I'm sorry. I just can't. My voice won't handle it. Right? Hey, Blake. Nice to see you. Here we go. 78,157, guys, is the target of this bull flag. We break up there. You guys know the next level. It's here at 78,524. Guys, we get up and over a 78,524. We have a run in store. Very, very likely we will go to the 50% level in the channel, right? We do have a resistance level right here. 79,627. We get up and over that, guys. Very, very likely we're going to get up and over the 50% level in the channel. Not a bad thing, right? Not a bad thing. We get up and over the 50% level in the channel, guys. Here are your levels. Up and over the 50% level in the channel. First level is here, 84,579. Second level is here, 85,489. Third level is here at 86,398. And then guess what? Right? Rumors Doge may be ZK. Oh, there we go. Right? It's had a lot of news lately, guys. Watch Doge. A lot of news. Rest of voice. Hey, ASL. Nice to see you. Here we go, guys. Top of the channel. We got up and out the top of the channel. Bulls are on deck for it. VIX math is in mid-channel. Bearish with a big bull bounce in the near future. Guys, here we go. Lots of news, right? Top of the channel, 86,398. Now let me give you the bearish scenario. What is the bearish scenario, guys? Right? Here's the bearish scenario. All right, guys, here we go. Bearish scenario. Guys, this is looking uber bullish to me, though. Why? Why is it looking uber bullish? Because we have all of the moving averages bundled below price action right now on the 1 hour. Hey, Complex, nice to see you. We are bundled on the 1 hour below price action, and we are sitting in a bull flag. This looks like this wants to go, guys, right? Here we go. Here's the levels to the downside. First level to the downside, 76, 814. We don't hold that diagonal trend line, guys. We're coming down here, 76, 403. The bullish pattern and VIX position. Here we go. Complex, thank you. And VIX position would insinuate a drive in our future on money flow. There we go, Farrell. Let's go. Right? We fade this level to the downside, 76, 381, and down here at 75, 282, and then the bottom of the channel, guys. Right? Cosmic Crypto, thank you. 75, 137. Thank you guys so much. These are your levels on Bitcoin today. I'm so sorry. I can't cut it today. I am somewhat of a little bit of a workaholic. A little bit. And I hate when I'm sick, but I can't cut it today. I'm sorry. Like the timing of it all is pretty lovely. VIX bounce point to, oh, there we go. VIX bounce point to, hold on one second. You got to take care of you. Thank you, Cycle Sniper. Same. Just got done moving. LMFAO. Mowing. LMFAO. There we go. Right? There we go. Bounce point is 1619, Farrell. This looks like we want to pop out of that bull flag to me. The moving averages are so tight under it that unless all of the moving averages, all of the lower time frames look like they're going to roll over, very, very likely we're going to get that pop out. Let's see what happens today. Janetto, thank you so much. Guys, I'm Chelsea and the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have been gone for a week and then just got back. And I am not feeling good today. Usually this is about an hour and a half. But I did want to, hey, Green Hornet, nice to see you. Guys, I did want to come in here and give you somewhat of an update so that you know where prices may be going for the day and you know where the levels are. Blake says join the group. Guys, I will be in class today. It will be a shorter one today, but I will be there 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you guys want to join that group, first link in the link in my bio. If you want to learn how to chart and to trade, come on in and hang out with us. It's 7 days free today. School is cool, said the assistant. Yes, it is. I will be in there. Guys, thank you so much for being here today. Solum, thank you. I'm so glad I got to see that. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Guys, have a great day. We end this every live with this, right? Don't be too cool for school, says Blake. Guys, come in and try it out. It's 7 days free right now. If it's not valuable, you can leave once that 7 days is up. But come try it out for 7 days. Guys, live in gratitude, right? Thank you. I am grateful for my mods, right? Thank you to my mods, Money Talk, the assistant, Rude Boy, the Eric Watson, Sarah, Shauna, J. Cosmic Crypto, B Rose and Dream to Action. Thank you so much for being my mods in here, guys. Thank you to Skyman and Farrell, who are in here every day, giving their opinion on the charts and what they see in the charts, guys. Also, if you haven't followed Cosmic Crypto, please give him a follow. We have a show every Thursday at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you. Oh, you're a new mod in the house. I forgot you. Lady Long Term and Lady Long Term. I'm going to have to add you into the rotation. I'm sorry. I forgot. Guys, thank you so much for being here today. If you haven't followed me and you would like to, and this is your first time here, please follow me right now before I get off directly from the live. Otherwise, you'll get copycats. And I hope you guys have a great day. I've been doing some Bitcoin updates on my page, both in the morning and at night. Hey, Real Hope, this isn't your first time here. I've been doing those. If you guys could watch those, they're really quick. Watch them, repost them, and engage with it. That really, really helps those posts get out there. It's just a little blip on where Bitcoin is for the day. Eat some good food and get some good rest, BB. Thank you, Skyman. Skyman, send me a DM, will you? Guys, and sorry, I can't even think right now. Guys, live in gratitude, right? We are, like I say every single day, we are put on this earth to serve others. We're put on this earth to serve others. And if we are not doing that, we are not doing life correctly, right? We should be serving others and doing something good for somebody else every single day. And if we are not doing that, we are not doing this life right. The only way we change this world, which obviously needs a change, is if we create a ripple effect by doing something good for somebody else every single day. And that does go far. And it may be something little to you, but it may be big to them, right? So please, please, please live in gratitude, pay it forward. Thank you so much for allowing me to do this every single day. I appreciate you guys. I'm not here without you. And I will be back tomorrow at 9:15, hopefully with a little bit more of a voice. And I will see you guys then. Thank you for supporting me every single day. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.